then we are going to do something known as stripping the names or stripping the columns. So let's say, what do you mean by stripping? Now, if we see data frame 1, what's data frame 1 has? Data frame 1 has all these names, lowercase, uppercase, and title case, which you have done with the namings, the conversion of the cases here. Now, if we do something known as stripping, let's see what will happen. Now, if we take this thing, and if we go, if we run this data frame here, so what is happening here? There is something known as stripping. It by default strips if there are any characters, white space characters in it. What do you mean by white space characters? Empty spaces. Whenever you see any empty spaces, those empty spaces will be removed by this stripped str dot string operations. String has a function known as dot strip. This try to remove if there are any empty spaces present inside all the column. What is the column here? Names. In the names column, if you find any empty space, that will be removed using this stripped. Okay, now let's see what we do. In the stripped, we can see all the things with empty spaces here, if there are any empty spaces present. Now, what is this L stripped and R stripped? So that is nothing but left stripped and right stripped. What do you mean by left stripped? Let's say whenever you have any data frames, whenever we have a column inside the data frame which is not stripped, the cases if there are any white space characters which are present previously here, let's say what we are doing, we are performing this left strip on the names column here. This is a names column. We are performing left strip. That means if there are any spaces present on any empty spaces present on left side, I mean very starting of this word in each and every row, those will be removed. So let's say, let's run this cell and let me show you what it is. Yeah. Now, what is this left strip? Now, let's say if we have any empty spaces present to the left side of these names for each and every row in the names column, if each and every row, if we have any empty space present on left side, that will be removed and this will be given. So that is what it is. Now, this is what left strip is. Now, there is something known as right strip. What we are doing with right strip? Then the right strip says us if there are any white space characters which are present on right side, then that can be removed and you can be see. Yeah, if there are any empty spaces present on right side, then those empty spaces will be removed and you will be present with the rest of the things after removing those spaces. So that is what it is. Now, if you run the entire data frame here, look what is happened here. What has happened? Let me print the data frame. Yeah, let me check normal data frame. Now we have this stripped, which is nothing but removing the empty spaces wherever it is present. In left strip, it is going to remove if there are any empty spaces, those are present on left side. Okay, and in this right R stripped, if there are any empty spaces, those are present on right side, then those are going to be removed. So that is how it happens.